That went south fast. Can't even take a piss in peace. I'm just kidding. Galveston County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Brazoria County in southeastern Texas until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:29 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Hillcrest to near Hitchcock to near Tiki Island, moving southwest at 50 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts. Okay, not considerable. Source radar indicated. Impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include southwestern Lake City, Galveston Causeway, Galveston Island West End, Texas City, Lake Jackson, Albert, Angleton, Lamarck, Santa Fe, Freeport, Clute, Hitchcock, Surfside Beach, Ridgewood, Jones Creek, Danbury, Bayou Vista, Oyster Creek, Jamaica Beach, and Tiki Island. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in